Alright, at Buccees, in the rain, the grackles get on the ground. There's a bunch of grackles just sitting on the ground. They get quiet when the thunder hits for just like a few seconds. Cops are not making any real drug busts until they start going after the sugar extract manufacturers.
I want you to know that you also could do it. Okay, that's all. That's all I had to say. I was just a little bit disappointed. So, go play favorite.
Didn't see the blue ones when I first checked last night. Blue always means 2%. When you see blue, you think 2%. So Buccees is the first place that actually makes me think everything's bigger in Texas. So I got 8.7 gallons for $19.27. Tomato sauce and milk. Put a little pepper in there too. Tomato sauce and milk are a great combination. Right, noticing a difference for cleaning copper. Tomato sauce seems to clean it on contact. I just expose this for a couple minutes to tomato sauce and then wipe it away, and it's like perfectly pink or copper color. Whereas upon contact with a lemon, lemons are pretty sour. These are. I had some lemon juice in here and it barely cleans it. If I put tomato juice in here, it would look sparkling pink. All right, here we go. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna just do it. I'm gonna have a little bit of this with my catfish right yonder. All right, you put it in just a little bit there. Couple minutes, just let it sit. And the tomato tends to eat away at this stuff. In the meantime, okay, I got my, can that be seen? Okay, set it off to the side. How about that? All right, I got this I put right over. Guess I could have the catfish on top. I just wanted to crush up some pepper in the meantime. While this sits, just for a couple minutes, about the same amount of time as the lemon. Gotta clean. Oh man, this is pretty dirty. It's dirt that's, or I don't even know what. Oh yeah, it was dehydrated onions and cayenne pepper. It's not that important. It gets out. Just a little pepper. My stomach's upset because I had green tea by itself. You always got to eat something with green tea. All right, I do not want to put the pepper in the copper cup because then that'll ruin the experiment. That's good. And the time it takes to crush the pepper down to almost a powder doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, I need room here. I'm working in my car. Okay, I'm gonna pour this out. All right, catfish on top. Put this in the catfish. Boom, boom, boom. All right, and then put this back on the dashboard. All right, now it's the time. I'm gonna pour out. See if this is. Oh, okay, there we go. There. Now, I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna drink the tomato juice because it's good to drink. And it's just like, I should have done this with the lemon too. I didn't realize the difference. All right, there's no clear difference yet. It actually still looks pretty dirty. I might be wrong about this. I'm just gonna wipe away now. Maybe it takes longer. I just want to do this experiment because oh, okay, no, it doesn't. All right, I am mistaken. It takes longer. This tomato juice does work, but it needs to sit for more than a few minutes. It's not a contact thing. It's got to like soak into the copper and then do its work. Yeah, it's okay. I am wrong. I thought that tomato juice is better. No difference there. It's still the same. My mistake. That's odd. Went right back to where she was. He, she, I don't even know. I sometimes want to yell at my heart and say, "Come on, you want to mess with me, heart? Bring it." So it just acts weird, and a lot of times it's because I'm hunched over a computer. That's the biggest issue with my heart. Being in a fixed position, hunched over that computer, it starts to skip and double beat and act all funny. Alright, I'm at the West Walmart. You can see these train tracks don't appear to be used much. Yeah, Walmart's just over there. And there's some kind of weird bridge I want to walk up on before I get off of these old tracks. Yeah, it's probably nothing on the side of these tracks here. Very visible from Walmart if you look. Looks like it was a building, maybe. It had 4 walls maybe. They were piling dirt in here and then the walls busted and it all spilled out maybe. Or it's a way to elevate a vehicle because of this incline. It's a pretty steep incline, but it looks like something you drive up on along the side of these railroad tracks. So I'm pretty much throwing away both the caps for the front and the back since I have to air it up every trip. Just smelling this gunpowder green tea is pretty nice. I like the smell of it a lot. It's got a very sharp taste to it. I think that balances out well with the chamomile because the chamomile's got some kind of a mucilage taste to it, and it balances out well with this. So I wake up and it's like a speedball. Alright, I'm just gonna record Chris. He's watching me and he's on a phone. I'm just gonna keep this rolling because I don't know if he's gonna come at me. What a jerk. This guy doesn't know how to manage anything. He's over in front of the automotive, just messing around. It looked like he was like automotive manager or something. He just comes over and starts arguing with me about nothing. Alright, I don't know what this problem is. He's disappeared. Alright, oh, they're taking off. They're going the other way. They just wanted to make sure that I left the property. Okay. No, he's turning it around. Oh, they're going the other way. Okay. I thought they were going to try to follow me. Alright, then no, they're turning. Dang it. They're going to be playing some games with me. So I slammed my tea without eating anything. And now I'm getting a slight stomach upset because of these cops. Because of the Walmart manager who called them. So it's getting a little upset. I need to eat something quickly